up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tiara. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I got. Bringing in 2020, I ended up picking up a few things and I wanted to show y'all what I got, so stay tuned for this video if you guys want to see some items that I picked up. I picked up from Sephora. I didn't get too many things. I ended up getting the Fenty Beauty, of course, by Rihanna, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filler Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. I ended up getting it to try it out. I've been looking for a foundation that's kind of not matting, but something that I could wear all day, and I heard this was pretty good. I ended up getting two colors because I wanted to mix them, so I'm gonna see how that works. And then I also ended up getting the concealer as well. Also ended up getting that. So that was basically it. Like, I just went into Sephora and I kind of knew what I wanted, and I just wanted to pick out that foundation. I heard it was really good, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Another thing, the next store I went to was ZARA. So I went to ZARA. I ended up getting a few things from ZARA. Actually just one shirt. Yes, oh, it's gonna be funny, because like it was just me like going into stores and picking out like one item and then leaving. So yeah, I ended up getting this nice little dress shirt from ZARA. I'm gonna wear it on brunch, so stay tuned if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, what are you doing? Go ahead, follow me. And then also next I went to ALDO and I got these cute little shoes. I just love these, and I just got these from ALDO. And so next, which is going to be actually, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box I got from ULTA. I ended up picking up a few things. This box I got from ULTA. I didn't open it yet because I wanted you guys to do like a first unboxing with me, so I'm just gonna go in. Not what I thought. Getting 1, 2, 3, 6 items. 6 items from ULTA. Oh, that's for a return slip. Okay, so the brand that I've been looking, damn, this thing is big. The brand that I've been looking, of course, what did I get? Skincare. Because I don't know if y'all can see, but my face kind of doing whatever it's doing. So I'm trying to get my face together, especially like for 2020. I'm just trying to get everything together. I'm trying to get my face together, my hair, my weight up. I'm trying to get my money up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get it all, because if you're not getting it right in 2020, what are you doing? You know? And so what I ended up getting was I heard about this new brand called The Ordinary, and my friend actually put me on their brand, and so I thought I would try it. So I went on ULTA. The thing is, you can only get it online. A lot of their products were selling fast, so I had to wait until this first product I'm actually going to show you guys. I had to wait for it to come back in stock, but it's a really good brand. It's very natural. The products are pretty basic, and I know they get a lot of volume for the fact that they're offering these quality products at low prices. Girl, let me tell you, I'm just get into showing you which products I got. But a little bit about The Ordinary. I wish it would have came with like a little pamphlet. But basically, like, The Ordinary is like this bomb ass brand. They're only sold at ULTA, and they're only online, like I said earlier, and their price is really affordable. So if you're looking for a regimen, The Ordinary actually have their own website where they will address each type of skin. So if you're having like dry skin problems, if you're combo, if you're oily, they have it all layered out to like, this is the step you take, this is the products you need to get. And I know a lot of skincare brands, I don't know if they do that, but I just thought that was pretty cool that they do incorporate that into the core of them implementing their skincare. Like, okay, like we have this skincare line, we have all these products. If you have this, you're looking for this, we got you. Like, it's kind of like a map. They map it out for you, instead of you like going in and being like, okay, well, what do I need to do and things like that. And I'm sure other skin brands do that too, but I thought it was nice that, you know, this upcoming, I'm not familiar with The Ordinary, so it was pretty new to me. But yeah, enough talking. Let me just show y'all what I got. So the first thing I got was the glycolic acid, and sorry if I mess up any of these words, but I got the glycolic acid toning solution. This price at about, oh, it doesn't say. Okay, but the prices, I'm actually gonna put the price right there on the screen. So like I said, all these products that I'm going to show you are gonna be very inexpensive, but if you guys want to see what it looks like, open it, because I gotta open it up anyway. Oh honey, this is different. Now this is different. Okay, so it comes with this little applicator, and it's like in the box, and then it gives you 8 fluid ounces of glycolic acid. Now this is nice. I'm gonna go ahead. Now I've tried this out before, but this is like, you know, me getting it on my own. And I like how you can like decide which one you want to use. Like if you're traveling, it gives you the option to like take this off and then just put this on top. But as far as like a storage of where I'm gonna put this little applicator when I'm not using it, I have to figure that out. Okay, the next item I ended up getting was the lactic acid 10%. Now I got both of, I want to say I got both, the 5% and the 10% lactic acid, and it's like a little pill. You apply it once per day, usually at night, to kind of reduce, you kind of like build up your tolerance. So that's why I did the 5% and the 10%. Even though I've used it before, I still wanted to do the 5% and still work my way up, just for like, you know, those nights where once I get into the routine, I don't still need to do that harsh routine step. Like, you know, if I keep doing the 10%, eventually, you know, it's gonna wear out my skin. So I felt like I needed to get both. If that makes sense. If that doesn't, that's fine. I don't make sense sometimes. But yeah, another thing you want to do is make sure you get some sunscreen. I'm reading here that they do have a sunburn alert, so that's why they recommend that you do it at night. And so you also want to use this on unbroken skin because it will burn. Again, it's lactic acid with hyaluronic acid, so that's always good. So yeah, I got the 5%, I got the 10%. Again, I'm gonna put the prices right there, and then all of these products will be listed below just in case you want to get them. And then I actually ended up getting the hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5. And so everybody knows what hyaluronic acid is good for: wrinkles, skin. It's like the holy grail of skincare. So if you don't have any hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, you're doing it wrong. I'm here to tell you now, I was doing it wrong. So you need to get with it. Get the hyaluronic acid. And then the next product I got was the 100% cold pressed rose hip seed oil. This is kind of like that final step to kind of put all the moisture in my face when I have that lactic acid and the hyaluronic acid. And then I also ended up getting the alpha arbutin. Now I'm in school and I can't pronounce this. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I got the alpha arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid. I got a lot of hyaluronic acid. Girl, my face better come out pressed and ready. Like, this is good for hyperpigmentation. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to apply a few drops to the face and then use skin protectant. Okay, so yeah, this is for hyperpigmentation and less touches bruness. This is in Spanish. Is it French? Those in French. Is this company in French? But it's for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Apply a few drops in the morning and at night. And then you also want to incorporate a sunscreen. Again, on all of these products, they recommend using a sunscreen. So the Canada. So it's based in New York, Toronto, and London, Amsterdam. I'm seeing on here, and then it's also made in Canada, and it's also tested on humans, so it's animal free. So yeah, that was it. I was all in the box for just a bunch of skincare products because it's me. I always need skincare products. I'm always changing my routine. I'm always adding stuff, but I think The Ordinary is gonna be pretty much where it is for me. Again, like I said, I tried these products before with a friend, and so I really liked the results, and I got results like within a day or two of using it. Like just doing the regimen that she put together and did with these products, my face was like looking bomb. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And what's next? What else I wanted to show y'all? What else I ended up getting at Ulta, and it's something that I want to try and play with. So I'm not a makeup artist, but I do try with makeup, and I do want to get better because I mean generally I used to paint, and so I feel like makeup is just painting on your face, right? No? Maybe? No? Okay. But yeah, I ended up actually getting I'm just gonna show y'all, and y'all could probably guess what it is, and I kind of used it already, but the Morphe James Charles palette, just because it's the artist palette and it has so many colors, so many great reviews about it, so many great reviews about the pigmentation, so I thought I try it for my first palette, and for my first actual big palette, because I already had the Juvia's palette Masquerade. I already had this, and so I just wanted to start my palette collection, just trying to get into makeup. Again, I'm not a makeup artist, but nothing beats a try. So I'm gonna try and get into that. And girl, what else did I get? What else y'all wanna see? Is that it? Is that all I got? I think so. Yeah, that's all I got. Oh wait, yeah, no, that's all I got. Okay. All right, y'all, so I guess that concludes this little mini haul for 2020. Just some things to kind of take into consideration, things you might need to re-up on going into 2020. You know, you might need to get some makeup. You had makeup lying around for like a year now, so it's time to get some new makeup. You know, you might need to buy a little outfit, add a new piece to your clothing, kind of re-up on your skincare. Whatever it is that you need to do in 2020 to get yourself together, you need to do it like right now. And I mean, it could be just as short as like this haul is, just a couple of pieces I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Oh, and I forgot to say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are feeling this, let me know. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I do even more hauls and I buy more stuff. What? Yeah. If I buy more stuff, just let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all in the next video.